Let's take a look at this camera remote shutter. It works with both iOS and Android. You can take it up to 10 meters and it still works. Again, it needs a separate app with which you can use this remote. You scan this code for the iOS app and this one for the Android one. It's called Snap Remote on iOS and X Camera on Android. It works with a cell battery. Even if you use it 10 times a day, it will last nearly 6 months. It's pretty straightforward. Download the app, open the app and start shooting. So let's take a look at it. This button is to take the picture and this is to switch the camera. It switches between the front camera and the back camera, and this is where the battery goes. You can have it on your keychain. Again, all you need to do is turn this on. You can see the light come on. On your phone, open the Snap Remote app or X Camera for Android. It has a simple camera interface. All you need to do is just press it and it takes a picture. You can see when you press this, it switches the camera. Now it's showing from the back camera. Let me switch the camera and you can see the lights above. This could really come handy if you are traveling and you want to take a lot of family photos. This will come handy if you want to be in the photos that you're taking. It costs around 150 rupees or around $3 for this, and all the images are saved in the photo album. The Snap Remote app is just a regular camera app. Quite nice. Check it out.